This is the F200W Shadow drone. It is the best drone for its price range. Or is it? To find out, we first need to look at the specs, or more specifically, the price. So its usual price is about $300, but on Amazon it only costs about $225 when it's not available. Cough cough. Since there's almost 800 search results for drones costing between $200 and $300, I'll just compare the first 3 from Amazon and the top 3 drones from the first 3 websites that pop up when you type in best drone under 300. The first website says the best drone is the MJX Bugs 2W, but when you click the buy button, it links to no other than the F200W Shadow, the very drone I'm reviewing. The second website says that the best drone is the Hubsan H501S, which is actually one of the top 3 drones from Amazon, and the third website says the UPair 1 drone is the best. The top 3 Amazon drones are the Contexto F17, the Hubsan drone from the second website, and the paired Beatbop. That leaves us with 5 drones to compare and determine which one is the best. I'll start with the Shadow drone, since it's the topic of the video. So based off of the specs on the Force One website, the Shadow drone has a 1080p FPV camera, 30 minutes of flight time, brushless motors, and the smart feature of GPS, which allows altitude hold and a return to home function. Next up, we have the Hubsan drone with a 1080p FPV camera, 20 minutes of flight time, brushless motors, and the smart GPS features for $218. Then we have the UPair drone with a 2.7K FPV camera, 15 minutes of flight time, and GPS features for $299. The fourth drone is the Contexto drone, which has a 4K non-FPV camera, 18 minutes of flight time, brushless motors, and weighs over the FAA's weight registration limit for a price of $210. And finally, we have the paired Beatbop with a 1080p FPV camera, an unknown flight time, brushless motors, and it has the GPS sensors with the bonus of a dual-core CPU and the ability of being able to create flight plans, all for $259. Anyway, now is the time to determine the winner. The Beatbop instantly gets the Smartest Drone Award, and I'll give the Best Camera Drone Award to the UPair, since the Contexto doesn't have FPV, and the Shadow drone is the all-around winner, when its price is $225. It has a solid 1080p FPV camera, an insane 30-minute total flight time, and has the basic smart features. So, going back to the original question, is the F200W Shadow the best drone? While I've had it, I personally really liked it, but the disappointing answer to the question is, it depends. With so many options, it ultimately comes down to your preference. So which drone did you like the best? Comment down below, subscribe to see more content, like this video if you want to see a review of just the F200W Shadow, and until next time, goodbye.